Welcome back to SGK Talks. Today we're going to be talking about the conjunction fallacy or the Linda problem. So let's say you have to pick a 7-letter word with the second letter ending in N. So the goal of it is you have to pick a 7-letter word ending with N as the second to last. I can think of present, command, examine, but it's kind of hard to think of 7-letter words ending second from last being N. But let's say I were to ask you 7-letter words ending in ing, ing. Well, that's a lot easier. Falling, playing, resting. It's a lot easier to come to mind. So the conjunction fallacy basically states it is a formal fallacy that occurs when it is assumed that specific conditions are more probable than a single general one. So this can be summed up: the probability of A and B is less than or equal to the probability of A. This also goes into another problem Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky did, called the Linda problem. So Linda, she is 31 years old. She is a bank teller. She has a degree in philosophy. She is a part of did a few rallies and stuff like that for feminism back in the day, for voting rights. So you're given two options. Is she A, a bank teller, B, a bank teller who's also active in the feminist movement? 90% of people pick option B. They say, yes, she is a bank teller, and also she is active in the feminist movement. But this is mathematically wrong way to look at it. It's mathematically wrong. Now, why is this mathematically wrong? Well, first you have bank tellers, and you have feminists. Now, there can be an overlap of bank tellers that are feminists and feminists that are bank tellers, but not all bank tellers are feminists, and not all feminists are bank tellers. There's of course can be a little bit of an overlap, two circles overlapping in the middle. But 90% of people get this wrong. It's sort of whenever you hear an and, you just throw in like, and this. It's like, okay, well, they're both, but probability-wise, it's easier to pick one, because you're taking the probability of the one, the probability of the other, instead of just taking the probability of one. This also goes into like category learning. If I say fruit, what do you think of? Apple, orange goes right away, rather than tomato or pumpkin. But yeah, that is the conjunction fallacy or the Linda problem. It really goes into framing as well. How do you frame this situation? Sometimes you can look at a situation, it's like, this isn't making sense. And then somebody says something, it's like, oh, how did I not look at it like this? That is so simple. I was looking at it in such a weird way. My mind just wasn't in the right realm of thinking. But yeah, that is the conjunction fallacy. Thank you very much.